morning! We are here at Birds Hill Park. We are going for a bike ride. So, hi! Look how beautiful it is. Yep. So gorgeous outside. So excited. So, Dimitrio's just gonna set up the bikes and we are good to go! Okay, we're ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. What? 19? Oh, nice. Yeah, it is. What else can you say about it? What? What else can you say about it? What else? It's bladder friendly because you just pee on the side.
Yep. Exactly.
So how long is this trail?
6
And we are at what?
3.2. We are halfway there.
Oh, we're halfway there.
This is a trail guide. Oh my gosh, so many trails here in Birds Hill Park. And this is the Chickadee Trail.
Are we going back to Aspen?
Where we've gone earlier is the Aspen Trail. There. We're here at a I don't know, like a group use campsite, I think, something like that, with a pavilion, and then has lots of picnic tables around it, and like over there, there's like picnic tables and fire pits, and we are just here
Because someone is hungry.
We haven't had breakfast yet, and I'm just really hungry now. Oh wow. So we did 7.2 kilometers for 55 minutes.
That is so slow, like, come on.
Now we're doing a pit stop because I'm very
Someone
hungry.
is hungry. There's water.
Super hungry. We have water, coffee, and sandwiches. And then we did the whole Aspen Loop Trail. And we've actually gone there a little bit more because we wanted to go here. So yeah.
Which one is my coffee?
We are now going to the Lakeview Trail. This is about 7.2 kilometers long. And this is a really nice trail. Goes around the lake and back. So yeah, very exciting. This one has a lot of uphills, downhills, and a lot of curves.
A lot of sandwich. Are we getting our sandwiches or what?
This is part of the Lakeview Trail. So nice. Wow, there's like lots of people. We should have brought our beach tent. So nice. Look at those beautiful trees. We finished the Lakeview Trail. Wow, that was a really good challenge. It was a lot of steep incline and decline and a lot of curves. So I tried all the speeds possible in my bike, which is good. And then I tried biking really fast and then really slow too. So that was a really good challenge, and the view was amazing. Like there's like lots of trees beside you, and it's a paved road. Most of it is paved.
Yeah, most of it.
Yeah, like probably like 90% of it is paved. So it was an easy ride. Yeah, it's easy. Just a little bit challenging, like going uphill, but it was really enjoyable. So far we've done like 14.9 kilometers of biking for a total of 1 hour and 36 minutes. We're just resting right now, and then we'll probably go bike some more to get to our lunch spot, and then we'll rest there and then see how it goes. Time for a picnic. Here's our lunch. I made some smokies.
Yeah.
And we still had that sandwiches from Extra Sandwiches. And yep, that's our view. Ooh, feels so good.